Hi, it's Ed Dale with RE/MAX Professionals, and today we're in River Park South at 83 Prudhomme Bay, and we have a stunning bungalow for you to see, so let's go have a look. Here we are in the main floor of this 1253 square foot bungalow, and we have a classic floor plan with a formal living room and dining room. It has big high vaulted ceilings and laminate floors, and it adjoins this kitchen that has maple cabinetry, a big island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, backsplash, the works. But we got 3 more beds to see, and the basement's fully finished as well, so let's go have a look. Well, that's it for 83 Prudhomme Bay. If you have any more questions, you can call me, Ed Dale, with RE/MAX anytime.